Good morning! How are you today? What? You all are fine? Oh, I'm so glad to hear that. Have you taken a bath? Have you had your breakfast? Already? Wow, that's good. Then it means you all are ready to study with me. Now, let's study, okay? Today we are going to work with the pre-reading kit C. Comb, crocodile, crab, cockroach, car, cactus, comb, crocodile, crab, cockroach, car, cactus. Can you show me car? Yes. Can you show me comb? Yes. Can you show me crab? Is it a crab? Can you show me crab? Yes. Can you show me cactus? Yes. Can you show me crocodile? Yes.